Alright, so I finally have time to build this stand for my Losi MTXL. That's almost a 1/4 inch of steel right there, plate. And I got 2 of them. I've been working on this project for quite some time, trying to get the odds and ends ironed out. And as you can tell right there, that is the fan post that the fan broke. I think this is from Harbor Freight, and my work was going to throw it out. I said, oh, I'll take that. I said, that will be a nice pedestal, adjustable for my stand that I'm building. And they just looked at me and said, all right, take it. So I took it. So we have the pedestal, we have the steel, and we also have the base where that hooks onto. I've been working on this thing, like I said, for a long time. Right now you see the MTXL upside down. Hasn't been upside down for very long. This is what I do. I take a piece of cardboard, which is up there, cut it out the same shape, try to find the screw holes, the screws in the cardboard, so I can transfer that template over to the metal, which I've done now. So now we're going to go over here to the mess. Look at all those steel shavings, and that's not even a 1/4 of them. I already threw out a bunch off that magnet, all through the floor. It's all over my bench. And this is the Dremel, air Dremel that I've been using with that type of bit. I tell you what, this is an amazing tool. Really amazing. So, right here you go. It's almost finished. I got it on the vise. And it's a little harder working with steel than it is with wood. As this stand over here I built for my DBXL is out of wood. Now the steel, I had to have some help because I do not have a welder. So my one friend at work welded some stuff for me. Welded these plates on here to hold the MTXL. This is the exhaust side of the MTXL, so the pipe has to come out here. And like I said, I am not perfect. I screwed up, so I cannot put that plate. Oh, let's see, where is it? Here's this plate right here. I cannot have it welded on there because it doesn't fit very well. The on and off switch is the reason. It sticks out way too far and I don't even want to deal with it. So 3 should hold that baby in place. So if you can recognize the chassis of the MTXL, you can see, you know, the 2 adjusting holes for the steering are right here. I mean, everything for the motor mounts you can access. The only screws that you will not be able to access are these screws right here that holds the plastic right here on, which is fine, you know, because you don't really need a stand to do that. But there's that on and off switch I was telling you about. See how it sticks out right there? Well, I cut it too flush, and all this is exposed and touching, so I said, oh, forget it, I'll just do with 3. And then my one friend at work, he came up with this idea, welding one of these clamps, roller clamps, I'm not really for sure what that's called, on, and he made me this rod, and it fits in there snug. And then you're supposed to use a 4.5 millimeter driver to drive that down, but we welded it around so it will not squeeze. So I just tightened it up anyways. And this shaft was a tight fit, but what I did to reinsure, I used JB Weld. Mixed up a little bit of a batch, and I put it on the inside of the shaft. Just say this is the inside of the shaft over here. I filled it up right here and all the way around, and then hammered it in, and there she sits. Yeah, this is a job, I'm telling you. It's been rough for me, going through drill bits, drills. I finally got one of these bits. Well, I've had it for many years, never used it. And once you get the hole started, boy, these things are fantastic. And I got those on eBay also, and that one right there. So with that air tool, you know, I cleaned up in here so you don't get cut. It's nice and flat right here. You can see a little bit of a ripple right there. It's not perfect, but it should hold that monster in place while it's running. A lot of thought and hard work went into this. So, and right now, I don't have a dime invested in this whole project. That's the beauty of it. You know, people get stuff for free, they donate, and it's amazing. So this is the reason why I'm doing this and not buying one of those rocket stands. First of all, one of those rocket stands is like 500 bucks. And I think they're just coming out with the MTXL plates. And here, another part of the stand. You put this, it goes on here like so. And then you tighten up that grub screw. And then you can turn it all the way around. That's probably where the position where it's going to be. Mostly so I can access all the screws. But I thought it was pretty neat. You know, I like to build things out of wood. But I figured, well, let's try steel. And it's a little tougher when you don't have the proper tools. I had to buy that tool right there. That was almost, what, 80 bucks or so. Then the bit was 20, so you got $100 wrapped up. But for results, what it does, it is amazing. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set that on the MTXL. Alright, here we are. See, it's a little loose, which is good because I can move it around if I need to get to the screws a little bit better. I mean, there's how she sits. You can see where that exhaust comes out, and I can access all the screws. And there's those two holes right here. Like I said, I just have this sitting not on there straight. If I move around, see if everything's almost picture perfect with the screws. But yeah, I thought that was pretty nifty. So we're gonna find out if everything is working right. This is just part one. But what I want to do is I love to have this powder coated. I have to talk to one of my dearest friends. His father passed away here about a week or so ago. And it's been really sad in his family. So I don't want to bug him about this or anything. So I'm going to wait. I'll get a hold of him and see how he's doing. And if he ever has a chance, I'll go ahead and finish this up. He'll powder coat it for me. And then we can put this all together. So right now I think I am done with the drilling and the massive grinding I've been doing. Like I said, this is a mess. I should have closed my drawers. It's all over my heater, my shop vac. It's on my cardboard, my brand new piece of cardboard, and the floor. I don't want to bring this stuff inside the house because you'll get stuck in your feet. I mean, it'll hurt. Alrighty guys, I just want to show you what I'm doing. I'm still in the RC stuff. So I just want to show you what I'm up to and show you the mess I have going on. I think I'm going to spend the rest of the day cleaning. And that's pretty much it. Start putting things back. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. I do appreciate you watching. And I hope I give you guys some ideas that you can build your own RC stands. I'm just going a little bit more extreme since I have the power of the people that would give me stuff and that are willing to help me out in welding and stuff. So, okay. Talk to you again.